Hello, welcome back everyone. Thanks for joining me. So today, what are we doing? I thought I would do a web effect in this beautiful mold that, by the way, it's from Pouring Your Heart Out. And I'm going to be using a lot of these Harry and Wilma's pigments, and they are fluorescent neon powder series, luster mica powder. I'm going to be using this one too, fuchsia luster mica powder. I will use this one here as well because it's a lighter purple. I will use this one, and this one is deep ocean blue luster mica, and this one here, green gold shimmer luster mica, and this neon lemon yellow. And I'm going to try to do like a rainbow in it. My gloves on, mix my resin. I'm trying to warm up the room because it was very, very cold this morning. So I was trying to warm it up. And I will be back. Okay, because it's going to be very little that I need for each one. All right, I haven't got much in each cup, so therefore I'm not putting much in them. Look what a beautiful color that is. That's the first one. So I'll mix them all up because there's quite a few, and then I'll come back. I'm sorry, my neighbor has decided to do his lawn at the moment. So I've mixed them all up, and I'm gonna go and really you don't need much because I'm only doing a tiny bit of each color. Okay, so that's for the green and a yellow. And I'm going to start with the purple in this end here. So I'm adding each color, making sure that it's all the way covered. And I'm going from light to dark. And this is the last color now. quite a beautiful color, very vibrant. Having added all the colors, now I'm going to put a bit of the clear all around. I will be adding the white now, and I'm using Custom Craft. Just one more drop. It needs to be opaque, semi-opaque for this technique to work. Yeah, that'll do. Okay. Now, having done that, I will start pouring my white. Okay, so I think that will do it, and we don't want any white in here. Thank you very much. Now we'll do push in the middle. So I've added a mixture of different colored glitter. Got some pink, some green, some blue. And that's what I'm going to add in the middle. I think that will do it. I hope it's in the middle because I can't really tell. Okay. And I'm not sure whether I should put some white in the middle or whether I shouldn't. And I'm going to leave it at that. All right, and that's basically it, guys. So keep your fingers crossed that we get something nice. Bye for now. Okay, I'm back. So I think I've left it too long. I don't know that I will be able to shape it into a bowl. But we'll try. Oh, maybe not. Maybe I will. It's quite beautiful. Look at that. I don't want to mark it with my nails, and I hope it is centered. And it's quite beautiful and different, isn't it? Yeah, I'm very happy with it. I'll be back when it's set to totally demold it. Bye for now.